How to fix calling issues on TextNow. First of all, make sure you have a stable internet connection either through Wi-Fi or mobile data, since TextNow requires internet to make calls. If your internet is fine but the call is still not connecting, try restarting the TextNow app and logging back into your account. Next, check if you are running the latest version of the TextNow app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and update the app if needed. If the issue continues, restart your phone to refresh the system and network settings. Sometimes permission issues can block calls. Go to your phone settings, then Apps, find TextNow, and check permissions. Make sure microphone, phone, and contacts access are enabled. If you are still having trouble, try clearing the app cache and data from your device settings. Switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa can also help resolve temporary network glitches. Finally, if none of these steps work, open the TextNow main menu, tap Help, and contact TextNow Support for advanced troubleshooting. Now you know how to fix calling issues on TextNow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.